Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Randy and you are watching Roadie Riders. So today it's the last day of 2023. We got a group of guys. We're going to be heading to a place called Jake's Restaurant down in North Stonington. So like always, stay tuned for the cartoon. So here we are, me and Polo. We are heading to meet up with the other guys to head down to North Stonington and for the last ride of the season here, 2023. It's not a bad day. It's going to be about 40 degrees perhaps, a little cloudy, overcast, but hey, we're in New England, man. You know, just get used to riding in this stuff. So, yeah. Polo just took that turn. I don't do that turn because there is a camera behind me. That if you take right-hand turns, they will tag your ass. So, I'll let him go ahead. Come on. Go. So I'll catch up with him on the highway here. Left lane, baby. Oh, there he is. He waited for me. I'll blow right by him. See ya! Alright. Little spirited riding there. Come on now, Paul. Come on, keep up. Hey, come on, buddy. There he is. So yeah, I believe we're going to be meeting my buddy Cool Breeze. I believe we'll be meeting Phil. I think we'll be there also, my buddy Phil. And then Paul, I think it's 4 of us today. I did invite a bunch of other people, but you know, it's still too cold for them. So it's all good. I tell you one thing. I just noticed that this bike loves the cold weather. It is very poppy today. As you can hear. In the front there. A little windy out here. Yeah, that's weird. See in front of me the buildings out there. That's we're heading toward Providence, capital of Rhode Island. that building in front of me, the Superman building. You probably might have heard of it. They've kind of been national news at one point. That's Providence right there. Downtown Providence. Alrighty, so we're gonna just cut this here and then I'll catch you at our next stop. Alright, so I was mistaken. We actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of us going out today. I forget about Mayheim Street Glide. My boy Dan pulls up there, Phil, and then you got Cool Breeze, who's leading the pack. Just left the meetup place and yeah, starting to proceed down to North Stonington. So guys, do me a favor, if you haven't done so already, go over and hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and hit that bell for notifications for upcoming other videos that I'll be doing. And also, most of all, leave me a comment. You know, tell me how I'm doing and tell me what maybe more you want to see of content. Probably going to be posting in the communities on my YouTube channel what kind of content everybody would like to see going into 2024, whether it be install, riding videos, vlogging, traveling videos, you know, whatever you guys are interested in. I'm gonna myself keep doing riding videos. I enjoy doing them, so I'm going to keep doing these. And I will be doing some install videos along the way this year coming up, and I do have some products that I got to do some reviews on. So yeah, stay tuned for 2024. It should be a banner year. A little better hopefully than what we went through this year. So yeah, I gotta love the sound of that. There we go. I'm coming up on the left here just with my camera. See these turns right here? I just love wicking into these things. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Holy crap, you guys are way back there. I didn't think I was going by that fast. Wow. Woo. Yeah, so for you guys listening to me, I'm on my headset talking to my buddy Cool Breeze, and you probably can't hear him, but anyways, yeah, just having a little spirited fun over here. So kind of waiting on them to get up to me. They do have GPS, so I'm not worried about them. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna slow down a little bit for these guys to catch up. I'm in the left lane just so you can see. I'm gonna stay right here, straddling the yellow lines. I'll actually go in the other lane. I don't give a shit. There you go. Yep. Yep. So the infamous Route 49 we are on with stuff. Get up in position here. And I will tell you this, guys, and I'm gonna say this over and over. These goddamn shocks in this bike from Suspension Technology are the shit. Oh man, this is a good day. Can't believe this is the last day of the 2023. I'm out with all my buddies. This is awesome, man. Yep, doesn't get any better than this. Like a 40 degree day in New England. How can you go wrong? How can you go wrong with this? This guy here, my buddy Phil, he just retired a couple of days ago. He's going to be living life large on that bike. He just had that thing all done up. He's got a 117 in that, and everything's so far so good. I know in past videos we spoke about it, but I'm still waiting on him to get it dynoed. So now that he's retired, he's going to have time to go get it done. So we'll see. I'm sure he has enough miles on it. I know they said he needed to get 1,000 miles on it, and yeah, I'm pretty sure he's going to be pretty close to that today. So, yeah, we'll see. Stay tuned. See what the numbers are. It's kind of curious. Yeah, this has been so far a really good ride down here. So we're coming up toward, we're down here in North Stonington, coming up to place we frequent here, Mystic Pizza, which we are not going there today. We're actually going on 2 West, heading toward Norwich, to Jack's, breakfast and lunch, here on Route 2. Any of you guys ever have been here, going to the casinos, this is which way you would go to get to Foxwoods. It's 7 miles up the road on this road here. So yeah, it's been a pleasant ride down here. It's not too cold. Thought it was going to be a little bit colder than what it is, but yeah, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Especially when you got heated gear. That's always a plus. So yeah, this place we're looking for is probably maybe a half a mile up the road here. Mile maybe on the right hand side. We've never been here before, so cool breeze, he suggested it, so we'll see what it's all about in there. You know, it might be another one of our stops down here, because we do frequent this in the winter, this area. It doesn't, for some reason, it doesn't seem like it gets a lot of snow down here or ice, sleet, and perhaps it's maybe because we're close to the coast. But yeah, this is a really good riding in the winter down here. It keeps us going through the year. So hopefully this year, by looking forward at the forecast, it looks like we'll be riding almost all the way through January. You know, God willing that nothing changes. So here we are. Yeah, here we are, Jake's restaurant. Hey. So yeah, like I said, it's not too far from Mystic Pizza too. So we have made our destination. Let's see what we're gonna do here. But you can park wherever you want, buddy. Park right behind you, right like this. Yeah, I'm good. All right, so we made it here. We'll be heading in, grab some grub, catch you as soon as we're done. All right, guys, we're all done here, having a nice lunch, and we are going to head somewhere that I have no idea to, but I'm gonna leave it up to the Cool Breeze to determine. Where is he? Right there. Yeah, right here. I'll leave it up to him to determine where we're going. So wherever that may be, we'll catch you there. So now I know where the Cool Breeze is taking me. We are down here at Narragansett Beach, Narragansett, Rhode Island. This is the pavilion over here. The beach is on the other side of it. We lost two guys. They had to go home. So it's just me, Cool Breeze, and Mayhem Street Glide. So this is lovely Narragansett. A lot of people in the parking lot though. They must be out there surfing. New Year's Eve, yeah. Well, pretty impressed that many cars are there. Right there over in the distance, you see, that's called the Coast Guard House. Yeah. Well, Dan just chimed in on my headset. I'm here recording there. Dan. Yeah, I would like to stop and take a picture and throw some drone footage up, maybe. I don't know what he's doing. All right, everyone, that's going to finalize the ride for the day. We ended up with just me, Cool Breeze, and Mayhem Street Glide. The other two guys kind of branched off, and yeah, had a great ride. So thanks for watching. Make sure you be good or be good at it. Peace.